Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove pixel code from your theme file in Shopify. But before I begin with this video, if you want to get Shopify your first $1 and not pay $37, click the link in the description. So what you have to do is go to Online Stores, then on your theme, click on the 3 dots here, and then you want to Code. Now that you are here, theme that liquid, so this one. Now I don't have the pixel installed because I already removed it, but what you want to do is press Command F or Control F so that it opens up the search, and you would just type in metapixel or meta or pixel, and then you would just want to delete it from the code. So for example, if it was something like metapixel, and delete it. Your code will most likely be under like these two brackets, or these are. So you know that like this represents the beginning, the end. You would just select all of them, delete them, and that's it. You have successfully removed your pixel. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you still have some issues, let me know what's the problem in the comments down below. And don't forget about the Shopify offer.